One cocoa full basket. Apply that technique to your savings plan. Not sure how? Your colleagues will explain.
Dad, can you please buy me some ice cream cake and peanuts when we get to the supermarket?
Matthew, I don't have the money to buy all those things for you now. The money I have is to buy you snacks for next week and to buy some other things for the house.
All right.
All right. Hear what? Let's make a deal. I'll give you $500 and you buy all the snacks you want, okay?
That sounds great.
All right.
Ooh, snacks, can we go there?
Yeah, you have everything you want? All right.
Your total is $958.18.
Dad? Okay, I'll put some stuff back. Dad, I didn't realize that's how money works.
I'm glad you realized, so now you know what to do next time.
That's a recurring theme between parents or guardians and the little ones. A multitude of wants, but not enough money to fulfill them.
Children have to get the basic concept clear. Money is earned. And when you've worked for that, you've earned that, then the child can assimilate the fact that, okay, I must spend it wisely.
Alright guys, so as you know, we're talking about money, right? And how we use it. Starting with you, Daniel. You get your lunch money for the week. How do you budget it? Do you know how much you're supposed to get per day and stuff like that?
Well, I use $200 every day. So at the end of the week, I will have $500 to save.
Oh, so that means you save $100 per day.
Yes.
Alright, so what has motivated you to start doing that saving?
Well, I save, so if I need anything, I will have money for it.
I use $100 to pay for lunch, and I save the rest. I'm saving because I would like to buy a laptop by the middle of summer. I'm around 1,600.
But is it ever mickle make a muckle? So you're adding as
Yes.
you go along to see what can happen.
I try to spend as little as possible because I know that the times are hard for the parents now.
Right.
So I have to do something to make to try and help them.
And that's very important. Parents have a lot of bills to take care of. They have to pay for water, electricity, the car, the house, food, your school fees, and a number of other things. Plus, they have to save money for emergencies.
What do your parents do when you ask them for something? What do they normally say to you?
Well, let's say it costs $1,000 and I only have $400. I ask my parents for the other $600 and sometimes they will give it to me. Other times I have to go into my laptop fund.
The child must be accustomed to the fact that money is something that's acquired by working.
Well, they told me that if I try to conserve the lights,
Yes.
to turn off the lights when they're not being in use, they told me that they would give me at least 10 for every light, and if I get good progress, they will increase the cost. Right now, I have at least $100 to collect, and just me. I'm going to add $5 interest.
So that will make it what? $105, right?
No, $5 for every $10 they don't give me.
Oh, okay. So you'll have to be getting some more money. So what you plan to do with that money?
Well, when I finish saving it, I'll save up for my Nintendo DS and a few cartridges.
Was there ever a time that you used to waste or squander money? Never? What about that Chinese chicken thing? Tell me about that.
Chinese chicken.
Buy it after school and share it with my friends.
And have you stopped?
Yes,
Why?
because I'm trying to save.
These children do not limit saving to their piggy banks.
It's a small metal beer, but each time it can hold at least $1,000 in coins. and I put in a little US money that my grandmother sends for me. And then that goes to the bank, so it's like 1,000 each year, each month.
When I was turning 8 for my birthday, my mother's friend, I call her Auntie Cecile. She sent down 25 Canadian dollars for me. So I asked my father if he could take me to the bank so I could put it in my account.
All right, and you, Calese?
Yes, I've done it several times. It's supposed to be for my college fund, but sometimes you really do need to borrow from it.
What would be your advice to children who normally beg and pester and nag their parents for stuff?
Don't pressure your parents. If they don't have the money, they don't have the money. So stop pestering them.
Well, I would say you start trying to make your own money.
Really? By doing what?
Well, normally I ask my parents if I could do something around the house that they would pay me for. So, like for instance, if I clean my room and their room, they would give me like $300 or so.
Sometimes I clean my parents' shoes for them. They don't have the time. I study my books, get good grades. Sometimes they reward me. And I just try my best to be good.
The essence behind Money and Kids is basically to have children learn about the concept of money, the world of money, get them financially literate so that when they become adults, they actually have a fighting chance at being fiscally responsible in their affairs, their budgeting, their salary.
So it's that time again. Alarm clocks will be reset to about 5 a.m. Lunch bags will bid farewell to the kitchen counter.